All right. Hey, everybody. So, having a little fun this morning and want to show an old school trick for checking unit conversions. Um, I still use it a lot, use it at home sometimes, doing measurements, and I also obviously use it for work. But hopefully, it's helpful. And if not, you just can laugh and say, okay, boomer, and continue on with your day. So, here's an old school trick checking unit conversions. It's called the railroad track method. So the other day we had a customer whose specific power was listed at 380 joules per liter. These are not units that, these are not my home units, I guess. In the United States, we use kilowatts per 100 CFM, and my European colleagues use kilowatts per cubic meter per minute. So in the group of us, we had to make these conversions, and while I'm sure we could just go to the internet for everything, I'm going to show you an old school way. So 380 joules per liter, and we need to convert it. The railroad track method basically you just draw a line across a sheet of paper and you write out what your starting units are. And then you convert it piece by piece. So the first thing you did is say, okay, I'm starting out with joules per liter, and I need to get to kilowatts per 100 CFM. So there's 3.6 million joules in a kilowatt hour. There are 60 minutes in an hour. There are 28.3168 liters in a cubic foot. And in the United States, we don't use kilowatts per cubic foot. We use kilowatts per 100 cubic feet. So we have to multiply the entire equation by 100. Now, once we do that, we can start crossing out units on opposite sides of our line or railroad track. And what we're left with is our sanity check to make sure that we did the conversion right. So we started off with joules per liter, and we wanted kilowatts per 100 cubic feet per minute. So if we just check our units, it's kilowatts and it's cubic feet per minute. We do our math and we end up seeing that it's 17.934 kilowatts per 100 CFM. So let's convert kilowatts per 100 CFM to kilowatts per cubic meters per minute. We start off with a 17.934 kilowatts cubic feet per minute. Now we do our conversion, 35.315 cubic feet in a cubic meter. We delete our units on both sides. And now we check and we say kilowatts per cubic meter per minute and do our math. And we see that's 6.33 kilowatts per cubic meter per minute. Now, job's done, right? Now we know what our conversions are, this and that. And here's an extra cool trick that we can do. If we take away the 380, right, in our initial equation for joules per liter, we can create the conversion factor from joules per liter to kilowatts per 100 CFM. So if we ever see a measurement of joules per liter, we multiply that by 0.0471947, and we will get our answer in kilowatts per 100 CFM. Similar, if we multiply a unit, a specific power in kilowatts per 100 CFM times 0.35315, then we will have converted our answer to the units of our friends in Europe. So there you have it. There's our cool old school trick for the day. Hope you guys are having a great day. And as always, stay safe out there.